The diagram to the right represents which of the following aqueous solutions. So this diagram, it refers to 4 choices. A, potassium chloride. B, sodium hydroxide. C, potassium sulfate. D, calcium sulfate. Okay, if we look at here, the ion is 2 minus, the cation is just 1 plus, okay? And if we count the number of ions, there are 4 ions, and there are a total of 8 cations. So therefore, the number of cations to the number of anions is 2 to 1, okay? Anyway, there are at least 2 ways to solve this problem. First one, I think that will be a simpler way. So, okay, we can see we have 2 minus anion. We don't have 1 minus anion. Then that eliminates A and B because the anion here, chloride, -1, hydroxide, -1. So therefore, both A and B, they are out. And now, the correct answer can only be C and D. Okay, then let's look at the cation. Cation just +1. There's no +2. Okay, look at those 2. Potassium, +1. Calcium, +2. That's group 2A elements. So therefore, always 2 plus. Potassium, group 1A elements, always +1. So at this point, actually, we already know C is the correct answer. So that's solution number 1. Another one is just based on the number of the ions. Take a look at the first choice. Potassium, in the formula, we have 1 potassium cation and 1 chloride anion. So the ratio for the number of cation to anion is 1 to 1. And here, you see, that's 2 to 1. So therefore, A is out. B, same thing. So sodium ion, in 1 sodium hydroxide formula, there's 1 sodium ion and 1 hydroxide ion. And the number of cation to anion is also 1 to 1. It's not 2 to 1. So therefore, B is also out. Okay, C. In 1 potassium sulfate formula, there are 2 potassium ion and 1 sulfate ion. Now the number of cation to anion is 2 to 1. 2 to 1. And now you see 2 to 1 or 8 to 4. Bingo. C is the answer, just like what we did in solution 1, okay? So, and then let's just finish choice D, calcium sulfate. There is 1 calcium cation and 1 sulfate anion. The number of cation to anion, 1 to 1. Again, that's not 2 to 1. So therefore, C definitely is the correct answer.